Hi, I'm Cece Love, and I'm about to do a sneezing snot prank on J Graygrizzle. So follow me as I go out there and pretend like I have to sneeze, and sneeze all over him. Let's see what he does to me.
Two hands on one. There. Hold his head.
I have to get my camera.
And those are the little ones. Okay. Well, should we ignore these? So if you start ignoring them, it's the plaster. Comes up going for the neck. Okay, it's threatening by pressing down on the back of the head and controlling the chin. You know, you mentioned he hasn't had that many submissions over the last couple of years. He's built a game based on threats. Because guys are, as you mentioned, harder to submit. So he keeps you threatened to the point that your job is to get back to a non-threat. And that takes a lot of time out of the clock.
Giving him back, Yoshida trying to take advantage.
Achoo! Oh shit! Oh, Jameer! Oh my god! I didn't mean to sneeze!
You have to pay for this. You have to pay for it. You have to pay for this. You have to pay.
Here, if you're on a lot of vehicles, you know.